Hello everyone, I am Nancy Wing Winky. Today I would like to introduce my project Live5DX to you all. The following content is the pitch from my project and hope you can enjoy it. Live5DX is a conversation word game that shows the communication problem in society nowadays. It is a word game that can interact with the conversation between Live5DX and the player, which is about communication in the case of people giving an irrelevant answer to the questioner and the problem of the AI customer service giving an irrelevant answer. First of all, the project is inspired by the Chinese idiom 九唔搭八, which literally means lie didn't draw it, and means people talking nonsensely or irrelevantly. This word first appeared in the movie, and since then it has been widely circulated as a mantra. Before I talk about the concept of the project, let's recall a memory from your daily life. Have you been angry at someone else answered you irrelevantly? I think the answer must be yes. No matter if the people are intentional to answer you outside your expectation, you will feel annoyed and angry. The communication will become not smooth when the ping frequency of each other is not the same. It is annoying that when you are talking about serious thing and the people answer you a lot at one point. This will lead to an insufficient working process and an argument will appear. More and more people nowadays are afraid of this situation and prefer to work alone. This is a serious communication problem that are facing. Another case that I would like to show in this project is the irrelevant answer given by AI customer service. With the development of technology and AI, more and more online entrepreneurs are using smart AI customer service to answer the question of customer. But maybe with the emerging technology and the AI customer service always given irrelevant or wrong answer that are out of the expectation of the customer. A survey showing that 71% that thinking that the AI answer irrelevantly and is not intelligent. Therefore, the project Live5DX is created and it has two main parts. The conversation working part will have some minute working with the puzzle solving and the character generates, and the conversation between the Live5DX and the player. And the animation parts will have some generated animation, such as the Live5D character and the transition animation, used by using the rule-based systems such as the recursion and the cellular automation. This is the main feature of the project Live5DX. I have decided it as the interface of the instant chat app which imitate the communication method that we are already using nowadays. You can see that the player is talking with the Live5DX and some interaction is created for the process, which shows the theme of talking with each other irrelevantly. Some programmed dialogues and responses will be displayed. There are some mini-word games that need to be solved by the player to proceed. These word games are created to enhance the level of fun for this project. Doing the puzzle we solve can make the player be more memorable and think deeply about the message. For the input methods, the mouse is used to allow player to click the options and the keyboard is used to input the words. For the touchscreen display, it can also use the touch point to interact with the project. The project is expected to be set up on an upright screen when exhibiting in a museum or gallery. In order to imitate the conversation in the instant message app on the mobile, an upright screen is suitable to use for this project, which can give an entire full screen feel to exhibit. For the expected setting environment for the exhibition, the upright screen will be placed under a spotlight. The lights around the upright screen will be dark, and this setup can attract people to interact with the installation. People can touch on the screen and make conversation with Live5DX. The goal of this project is to make people reflect on the method of communication between each other and also think about the use of AI. Let's think about if AI is not helping us efficiently in our life, then why should we use it for the task? In my opinion, we can't totally rely on technology and AI. The communication between people is variable in maintaining the relationship. Although AI can help people to get answers from the web easily in some ways, it is not a tool that can replace communication. I am always afraid if once a day AI appear in they appear their own mind and people can't control them anymore. I can't imagine what will happen. Therefore, I would like to give irony to those who are lack of the skill to communicate and the spirit that to have a good communication with each other and would like to work alone, and help them to make reflection on the use of the AI service, making an alert to people about the communication problem that's become more and more serious nowadays. The mind-to-mind communication is the goal that I would like to raise with this project, and to have a more efficient communication is lead in nowadays society. Therefore, this project aim to make reflection of the way of communication and giving irony on the people who are lacking the spirit of communication to each other, and help to maintain a good relationship